So what's good, YouTube? It's Corinthia here, back again with another video. So I'm currently in the S15 right now. I'm going to be upgrading all the door speakers and also the domeless speaker. I'm also going to be changing out the head unit of the car as of right now. So yeah, I have everything here. I have the speakers, everything like that. So we're just going to be putting this on. This is the brand that I have here. I have a Kenwood. Have everything here, just pretty much ready to go. And this is the radio that I currently have on now, that I feel like it doesn't sound good at all. So I'm gonna be switching on to this one here. I also have the speaker, the shift knob off to make it a little bit easier. Alright, so it's already off. I'm going in with a little screwdriver here. This install is actually very, very simple as well. It's not very complicated at all. That just came off just like that. Very simple, very easy. So this is the head unit here that we're going to be removing. And bro, it's been raining mad crazy the last couple of days in New Jersey. So now that I actually have a day where I can actually work on the car, and it's not like gloomy and things like that, it's perfect. So that literally just came out very easy, as you guys seen. So actually has just a harness on the back side, which you pull out, and that's literally it. I don't know, this is the antenna right here. So that's
Killers. Ain't no hero, she know I'm a villain. I be kissing all about I'm hitting. Told her friends how I treat her. Now they saying I'm a sweetheart. You be done trying to get a link. I just tell her where to meet up. Hit a room, say I'm still bending. Send a shots like I'm bartending. Look, clips extended. Get you tagged like a mention. I was broke, they ain't give me shit. Now I'm up, shine like the ring. On point, it be hard to miss. Let me know, baby, I'm the shit.
Because my side mirrors flap like a fucking bird. Name is fire cause we stole 2 out. And yeah, we blow trees and bees, that's fantastic. So girls, hold your weave while I'm weaving through traffic. I kick the 5th gear and tell the road a punch. You'll be like Lil John Q and get a change of heart. It's 1 mission, 2 clips, and some triple beams. I'm about to blow this whole shit up to too fast, too fast, too furious, too fast, act a fool. Too fast, too fast.
It's summer 25 already. Look how quick a year passed. The Thunder wanted chip, the whole LA smell like tear gas. Connect still tapping in. I told him I retire still. He said you gon' regret it like Zion regret Mariah Mills. Spent last summer broke, but now we up. We gotta give him his. Cause last year was your turn, but this summer y'all stick up kids. Bundy had a daughter, B back home from that prison bed. The streets need a Griselda album, shit. I need a bigger crib. But once I left the streets, I watched the sun set in Greece. Come back to visit Shade gravesite. Tell bro rest in peace.
Alright, so what's up? We're back here. So this is pretty much just a completion video as far as the head unit here that I was replacing. It has Bluetooth, it has Apple CarPlay, everything like that. It's up, it's been working. It sounds a lot better than the standard single radio that I had previously in here that you guys see earlier in the video. I also went ahead and I switched out the passenger door speaker there, and I also switched out the driver speaker as well. I also changed out the rear decklet speakers as well, and it sounds a lot better. Like, let me see if I can play it a little bit as far as you guys can maybe hear it a little bit. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for the music. You guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to show the positivity towards the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Swerve. Thank God I will legit swerve. Thank God I will legit swerve.